Okay, so this is lesson, oops, I messed up. This is lesson 79. This is part 2 of lesson 79 video. Let's do this one. We did this one in part 1 and this one in part 1. So let's do this one. So we have the square root of 100 is 10 plus 5. This is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. Minus 2 times 3 times 3 is 9, plus 3, all over 5. Alright, so we're going to have to do this part. So the 10 stays the same, the 5, the 27, 2, 3 plus 9 is 12, all over 5. Okay, we're going to take this up here so we have some more room. So I have 10 plus 5, 27 minus, this is 24, over 5, 10 plus 5 times 3, because this is 3, over 5, 10 plus 15 over 5, 25 over 5, so this is 5. Is that what you got? Hopefully you paused the video and attempted this one on your own. This is one that you guys struggle with a little bit. Let me change the color. Okay, so we are just going to do this part first. So we have a subtraction problem, so we're going to keep, change, change. So I have negative 0.1 plus positive 0.2. So that's going to give me, my addition rules are that if they are different signs, I subtract and take the sign of the larger. So this is 0.1, and it's positive. And then I'm going to bring down everything else I have up here. Now this is also a subtraction problem, so I'm going to keep, change, change. So this turns into positive 0.1 plus negative 0.3, which ends up being, since they're different signs, we're going to subtract, and we get negative. Alright. So why don't you pause this and try and do B on your own and see if we get the same answer. We have these absolute value lines here. So I'm actually going to do this part first because absolute value is a symbol of inclusion. So we need to do that first. And this is a subtraction problem, so we're going to keep, change, change. So I have my absolute value signs. I keep this as negative 20 plus negative 30. So since the signs are the same, I'm going to add them, keep the sign. However, the absolute value of negative 50 is positive 50. Then I'm going to bring the rest of this down so we can handle that. So I have negative 10 minus a positive 50. This is a subtraction problem, so we're going to keep, change, change. Plus negative 50. They're the same sign, so I add and keep the sign. Alright, if you have any questions, please let me know.